Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get the TikTok repost button back. So if your TikTok repost button is missing, you don't need to worry because in this video, I'm going to show you how you can bring it back with easy troubleshooting steps. So first, you need to check if reposting is enabled because sometimes the repost features get disabled in the settings. So what you need to do is just open the TikTok app and go to your profile. Tap on the three lines icon at the top and then go to the settings and privacy. And here, go to the privacy and then scroll down until you find the repost options. And then you can just turn it on. So you can just check if the restart TikTok now is back. And the second one, you can just update your TikTok app because an outdated app may cause features to disappear. So you can just open the Play Store or App Store, depends on the device you use. And then you can search for TikTok. And in here, you can just tap on update if available. After that, you can just restart your phone after updating. The third one, you can try to reinstall the TikTok app. So if updating doesn't work, you can try reinstalling TikTok to refresh all the features. So you can just uninstall the TikTok app first from your device. So just long press on it and tap on uninstall. And here, click on uninstall to confirm. After that, you can open the Play Store again and then reinstall TikTok app. And this will clear the glitches and restores missing features. Next, you can also check if the video is eligible for reposting. So the repost button only appears on FYP page videos. So it might not appear on your own videos in the following search or profile pages, or private or restricted videos. So you can just try finding a video from the FYP and see if the button appears. So you can just tap on the share button and you'll see the repost options. So if your account, the next one, your account may not have the feature yet because TikTok has features in different regions. So if your repost button is missing, it could be temporarily removed in your area or not available for your account. You can try using a VPN to change your location and check if the feature appears. So that's all from me. I hope this will be helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.